Before COVID, we served 1,400 lunches on peak days. Of course, post-COVID, the world is a different place. These days, we serve an average of 650 to 800 lunches per day.
We actually have a similar number of meals overall. That is on its way up again. But we will obviously be thinking about new strategies, how we can move our approach from quantity to high quality of service.
We sell set menus here at the company. So we have a main course, a side salad from the salad station, a dessert, fruit and table water. That comes to 8 items to wash in total.
Today, for example, chips with mayo and ketchup. The plates do come out really, really clean. Otherwise, we would have to do a lot of extra work. The glasses look beautiful too. They've got a great shine when they leave the dishwashing machine, not dull like they were with the old one. That's something I really like.
Our dishwashing line is run by a company called MDS. They are a subsidiary of Westfalen Fleiss, a local disability-friendly employer. Of course, for MDS's employees, it was a challenge to get used to new technology.
But just a week in, they had all found their groove using the new display and all the other new features.
Building towards the switchover, there were several issues with our old dishwashing area. We had problems with fire safety, problems with escape routes, problems with workplace ergonomics.
Now you stand in a more comfortable position. You can get to what you need more quickly. We used to have 2 dishwashing machines, so we had to walk more. Now all of the control elements are on one side, and you don't have to go back and forth between 2 machines like before.
It was a close collaboration between technicians from MEIKO and our in-house technicians.
Of course, when you install new technology, people always make a few mistakes in how to use it. But there was always a simple and practical way to deal with it, often using the phone support line. Someone always picked up straight away.
We are trying to cook energy efficiently, trying to store food energy efficiently, and trying to avoid food waste. Of course, this new machine is a solution for how we can save energy and save water.
For example, we don't have liquid dishwashing detergent anymore. Now we work with cartridges instead and replace them at regular intervals. I think with the cartridges, we are using less dishwashing detergent overall. Consumption was really always high before.
We are so happy with the MEIKO iQ BlueFire as a single machine solution. It really has solved a lot of our problems. It's more sustainable. We've got a lot more space in the dishwashing area. I think we made a good decision during the pandemic.
MEIKO, the clean solution.